Hey, what up? This your boy Rickey Smiley. People out here making some things happen. Black owned, black operated business. Share this with your friends. And listen, I'm supporting these businesses. I'm not getting no money for none of this. I believe in supporting black businesses because when you're a minority, black people been creating stuff and inventing stuff for years and never got paid for it. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all gonna be real happy when I show y'all this. You're gonna be excited. Look what black folks got. True, heavy duty liquid laundry. And I'm not making this up. I don't lie about nobody's product. Cause I tell you something, when it's garbage, I'm not gonna support it. Been washing clothes today. I can lay down and sleep on these damn towels. I'm telling y'all, I'm not making this up. This stuff smells good.